everybody, Ken Surfs here, and it's time for a Sunday shave. I hope your weekend has gone great. I've been doing a lot of electronic repair on one of my pinball machines, but I'm happy to say that it's 100% now. So no more work in the garage, or the man cave, let's call it. Everything is done, and it's back to business as usual. Well, today I'm going to be needing a razor that's going to cut through this, because I don't know if you can tell, I've got a couple of days of growth on here, maybe 3 days, and it's going to take a razor that's going to need to chop right through that. So I'm going to use one of my most aggressive razors, the Muhle R41 today. So we'll be using that bad boy with a Gillette super thin blade in it. So hopefully that cuts through it and doesn't cut through the skin. We'll see what we can do. For our shaving cream today, I'm going to be using Taylor of Old Bond Street's Sandalwood. And I've already loaded some up into the Captain's Choice shave bowl. And for aftershave, I'm going to use Truefitt and Hill Sandalwood Aftershave. So it's going to be a nice Sandalwood Sunday shave today. I'm going to use a Black Badger brush. I restored an Ever Ready. I think it's the 100T Ever Ready. It's got the nice weight in it, and it's a Black Badger. So I'm going to soak that in the crystal skull as we are talking. And I think I'm pretty much ready to go. This stuff's pretty bad today, though, and I really don't want to cut myself. So I think I will use a pre-shave. And from Easy Blade, we're going to use a pre-shave oil just to help out. It certainly can't hurt. Especially here. Man, we've had some great weather in Southern California this weekend. Just fantastic. Got to celebrate my 27th wedding anniversary Friday night. And man, my wife just wanted to go see Ocean's 8 at the movie theater. So I went to dinner, saw Ocean's 8. So that's the reason I wasn't able to do a shave video on Friday either, or yesterday. But we're here now. But a really nice weekend and a good movie. If you haven't seen it, good movie. I was really, I'm not going to give a spoiler, but I was looking forward to seeing a George Clooney cameo in there. But I'll let you watch it to see if it happened or not. Man, that badger really soaks it up. It's spilling out of there. See that? Spilling out of there. You know, I might add a little water to my face too with that oil. And yeah, the goatee is coming in. And I told you my wife and daughter had asked me if I would grow the goatee back. And next month, I'll shave it off. Might leave the mustache for a little while, but we'll shave it off. And we'll see if maybe the Rockwell or the Muhle R41 will take that down. So I'm already planning ahead for a video. We'll see how that works. You guys are very observant. Some guys, I think this, are my videos translated? Because of course I'm doing them in English. But a lot of people, the comments I'm reading are in Russian, and sometimes they're translated, sometimes they're not. Russian or Italian, and sometimes people from a country that doesn't speak English, they might not, my interpretation, or the interpretation might not come across. Bottom line is, some people said, how come you're growing a goatee? And just to re-clarify, because my wife told me to. No, because my wife and daughter asked me if I wouldn't mind doing it for a month just to see how it goes, and then I'll shave it off. All right. Muhle R41. One of my favorites. My eye is almost better now too. That stye is still there. It's been a week, but almost. Man, I can feel that. The sandalwood smells really good. Notice I'm not going as fast as I usually do. If you guys have not shaved with a Muhle R41 before, you'll know why. I've had a lot of people commenting that those who have tried one of these cut themselves pretty good. And I've done that before too. In fact, I will be very, very, very surprised if I do not draw blood in this in this video. One guy said, if you're not shaving your goatee, why do you put the soap on it? And actually, I'm just doing that for reference. Just so I know exactly where I've made, or where the razor's been. Right to there. I'm hearing the feedback, but I don't know if you are. If you notice on the shelf behind me, I was able to pick up the Mem, can you see that? The Mem English leather, and then I've got the Danish English leather. And there, you're right, there is a difference in scent. Right away, there's a difference in scent. And I am looking forward to doing a comparison of them both. But here's a tip from you guys. Dana stopped making English leather maybe a month ago. And the price of that 8-ounce bottle of English leather aftershave or cologne has went from, I don't know what it usually is, 15 bucks, something like that, at Walmart, Walgreens, over $100 on eBay, and they're actually selling. So if you find some English leather, maybe a quick flip for you. Find a couple of them on a shelf, flip them on eBay, buy yourself a $150 shave brush or something that you normally would not spend that much money on. I'm very, very, very amazed. And by the way, if you have not used a Muhle R41 razor, I'm telling you that is BBS shave 100%. Smooth as can be, and it didn't draw blood. One fine, fine, fine razor. But treat it carefully, very carefully. All right. I was having some problems with that dirty, hairy pinball, and I actually found the solution and I fixed it. And I looked on YouTube and there was no video addressing a problem that I've read a lot of people have with that machine. So I may do a video coming up. Won't be a shave video, but it'll be a quick kind of review of the dirty, hairy pinball machine and some of the problems that happen with it, just for the people who do pinball. But of course, you guys are welcome to watch and comment. But I know someone will say, hey, this isn't a shave video. All right. Truefitt and Hill. It's actually in a pump dispenser. See that? So you got to pump it out. No burn. But very, very, very soothing. Oh man, smells very good. Oh, there we go. The Santa Claus beard is gone. Some sunburns there. All right. Wow. So hopefully that wasn't too fast of a shave, because I'm telling you, that would almost be suicide shaving fast with a Muhle R41. You'd be bleeding all over your sink. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you guys had a great Sunday. I should have a calm week this week, hopefully get a couple of more videos out. And I'm really looking forward to doing that comparison of these two. Really looking forward to it. You can still find them. In fact, I found that one in the box. So that was kind of cool. So I will give that a shot. But if you find some on the shelf and you want to speculate, there you go. Make yourself some money. Don't take my word for it. Go on eBay and take a look and see what English leather's selling for right now. The 8-ounce bottle. All right, everybody. Have a great night. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. So long for now.